Hi, welcome to Little Amigurumi. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little ribbon that will make your amigurumi looks more pretty. Please check the description for materials and any details. First, we make a slip knot. Followed by 10 chains. Please remember we never count the loop on the hook, so we will start here. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the sixth. Slip stitch in the sixth loop from crochet hook. Now make 6 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Then slip stitch in the same stitch right here. Continue, make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the yarn. Now we can hide the tail using tapestry needle. Cut approximately 10 cm yarn and tie it in the middle of the ribbon. Cut the remaining yarn, and that's it. Your cute little ribbon is ready. Hi, this is Titi Sleepy Bunny Bun. She looks cute using these ribbon accessories. You can get this no-sew bunny crochet pattern on my shop. I put the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. See you on my next video.